Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making clams. We're making razor clams. They're one of my favorites. Had them a lot in Portugal, where they're quite popular, along the Algarve coast. And you basically pick them in the sand and they stand up, basically vertically in the sand. And it's amazing. Some white wine, some parsley, some garlic. Amazing. And now it's time to get cooking. You're gonna see it's gonna be a quick one, so let's go. The star of the show, the razor clams. I've just rinsed them, took out the ones with the broken shell. And this is basically all you need for the dish. You need the razor clams, you need some olive oil, a bit of white wine, garlic, and parsley. Doesn't get much more simple than that. And we don't have to really prepare anything. The only thing you have to do is to peel and slice up the garlic and chop some parsley. The rest is done in the pan. So the garlic, we'll just split it up and then we'll slice it in. There we are. Now we just have to chop up the parsley. Now for the parsley, that's it for the parsley. Our olive oil is hot, the garlic goes in. The style of cooking it is called ajillo, which means garlic, so you need a lot of garlic. Now we're ready for the razor clams to go in. A bit of white wine. The parsley. Now we make sure that they're all in, and then the lid goes on. And then it stays like that for about 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes, we took off the lid, and we're ready to serve them. That's how easy this dish is. And you don't really need a lot of finesse in serving them either. You just kind of put them up on a plate. So it's a perfect portion. A bit of a lemon on the side. And now we're ready to eat them. I can't wait to tuck into these babies. That's all kind of vacation time coming back. Portugal. I mean, you saw how simple it was. It took me, all in all, less than 10 minutes probably. And it's really good. That's what they look like when they're out of the shell. You can also put a bit of chili in it if you want a bit of heat. But for today I just put garlic. It doesn't really need salt because they're salty enough in themselves. Yeah, perfect. That's either as a snack or for an aperitif with a glass of white wine, or as a starter. And that's simple to make. You can't make anything wrong basically. As always, if you stuck with me this long, please click the thumbs up, click the like button below. And if you haven't done so yet, the subscribe button. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. I hope you try it out at home. Next, don't even know what's coming, but there's a lot of good stuff coming up. I have a long list of things to cook. So I hope you join me for that as well. Thank you for this time. Take care. Bye-bye.